Hi,
Hi,
how
good
are you?
morning. I'm good. How are you?
I'm doing well. My name is Sahiba and I am from India.
Very nice to meet you, Sahiba. I am
You too.
Logan. I am from the United States, but I am living in Italy.
Sorry, right now,
I'm, I'm from the United States, and I live now in Italy.
Italy.
hmm
Wow, it's a
Yes.
beautiful place.
Yeah. Have you been?
No, I heard about Italy.
Yes. So, can you tell me about yourself, Sahiba?
Yes, sure. My name is Sahiba and I am from India. I'm student and I'm 17 years old.
hmm
Currently, I am in 12th grade and my hobbies are uh, painting, cooking, reading. Yes,
Fantastic. So, what do you like to paint?
nature.
Ah, very nice, very nice. Do you often go out in nature?
Sorry.
Do you often go out to nature?
Yeah.
Yeah, very cool.
Yes. So, what about you?
Mm. So I'm living in Italy to work on art. I came here as an artist to work. I do a lot of drawing and painting, but I
Wow.
love drawing the best. My hobbies outside of drawing and painting are also reading. Um, what else?
Wow.
No, I don't do working, teaching
Mm.
English.
Yes.
Yes,
So, you are teacher.
yes, right. Yes, exactly. So I have
Wow.
teacher during the day, drawing artist at night.
Okay. So, you tell me about Italy. How's the people in your city?
So yes, Italy is great. The people in the city, they can be loud,
Yeah.
uh, very animated. They use their hands to talk a lot.
Yeah.
Um, a lot of people know English here, but I find that it's good to learn Italian. And if you live in Italy, it's better to learn Italian.
Wow. So, how long you are in Italy?
This is my third year.
Third year. Wow.
Yes.
So, is you are staying with your family in Italy
No, I'm staying by myself.
alone? Sorry.
I stay alone. Yes, I have
Okay.
roommates who I love.
Okay.
Yes.
So, uh, what language mm, people speak in Italy?
Italian.
Italian. Wow.
Yeah.
Italian. English?
English, yes. In bigger cities, yes.
Okay. So, mostly speak Italian.
Their own dialect of Italian as well.
Okay. So, there in Italy, are your friends?
Do I have friends?
Your friends in Italy?
Do I have friends in Italy? Yes, I
Okay.
do. Most of them are Italian, um, and some international students as well.
Wow. Okay. So you tell me, you go outside
Yeah.
for shopping.
Oh, yes. Yes.
Oh,
Yeah, aside, I mean, I go only to the grocery store. Sometimes I go to bookshops. Italy is very famous for fashion and fashion brands. So there's a
okay.
big street with like Versace and Gucci and all these very Saint Laurent, very high
Yes.
fashion brands.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
hmm
how old are you?
I'm 25.
25. Wow.
Yes, very good age. Almost 26. When is your birthday, Siva?
Sorry.
When is your birthday?
Sorry?
When is your birthday?
Birthday, my birthday.
Yes.
3rd March.
Very nice. Very cute.
Yeah.
Yes.
And you?
August 7th.
Okay, so coming soon.
It's 26. No.
You celebrate your birthday?
Ooh, I went to go watch the meteor shower called the Perseids. Do you know?
What? Speak again?
Do you know the Perseids? Yeah, there's a meteor shower.
Yeah.
So like, I don't know how to explain. You know the stars.
Yes, I know. Yeah.
Have you seen the Perseids?
Yes.
Oh, fantastic.
So, you celebrate your birthday in outside or in home?
I want to celebrate my birthday in the mountains, away
Mountains.
from everybody.
Okay.
Alone.
Wow.
Yes.
So, okay. So you are alone.
Yes. I live
Or,
very, very solitude. Yes. How about you? How did you celebrate your birthday this year?
in house.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Mm, but I mostly I celebrate my birthday once. On, yeah, because
Mm-hmm.
I forget my birthday.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Wow. Was it because you're so busy or?
Yeah.
Wow. I see.
So
Goodness.
next time I will celebrate.
Yes, and hopefully
Yeah.
there's maybe COVID will be like less than
Mm,
say bye-bye. Bye, COVID.
okay.
Fantastic. Mm.
So, mm, uh, you ask me any question?
Yes. So, what would you like to study when you go to university? Or
Mm,
do you want to go to university?
yes. Next year, actually, I want to do Islamic study.
Oh, fantastic. Very
It's
nice.
religious.
Yes, and will you stay in India or abroad for your university?
In outside, I mean abroad.
Hmm.
Yes,
And
yes.
where would you want to go?
America.
Oh my goodness, you want to go to America to do Islamic studies? Beautiful.
Yeah,
Very beautiful. Where in America would you want to go?
in California.
Ooh, you want to go to the beach.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. So, yes, actually, I want to spend my whole life in California.
Really? You're going to be
Yeah,
permanent residents of California.
yes.
Have you been there?
No,
Oh.
first time. Next year, first time I will go.
How exciting. I'm so excited for
Yes,
you. Oh, good. There's so much to do, so much to see. Oh, right. So, Hiba, we don't have much time. So, is there anything you would
yes.
like to know? Anything you would like to say?
Yeah. So nice to meet you. See you
Yes.
again.
Yes.
Soon meet.
Yeah, we'll meet again soon. It was nice to see you, Shahiba.
Yeah.
Good luck with school. Hang in there. And your English is fantastic. Be proud. Wow. Good.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. And I'll see you next time. Have a fantastic day.
Yeah.
Okay.
So what time is
Bye.
it there right now? What
It
time?
is 8 in the morning.
Oh. Okay. Okay. Bye bye. See you.
Bye. 是这样。